Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Iron deficiency anemia. Iron deficiency anemia is the most common cause of anemia. The most common cause of anemia in India and in the world is iron deficiency anemia. Hemoglobin of iron is around in the hemoglobin iron is around 0.34% by weight. So in any acidic medium, if the iron combines with in any acidic medium, iron will combine with vitamin C. It will combine with vitamin C, sugars, amino acids, and bile, and it forms soluble macromolecular complexes in the acidic medium. Then, that is in the stomach, and in the stomach, it forms the macromolecular complexes of iron with vitamin C, sugar, amino acid, and bile. So, among the total ingested iron, only 10% of it is absorbed. The normal serum iron level is 50 to 150 micrograms per deciliter.
thank you and thank you for watching.